Hi, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a March Beauty Fix unboxing. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Beauty Fix. I'm going to show the products that I received, and I'm going to talk a little bit about whether I think Beauty Fix is worth the purchase. If that sounds like a good time to you, go ahead and settle in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Holly, and I create mostly beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. I really enjoy ingredients and kind of getting nerdy into things, so if that is your jam, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you in the family. And now that we're introduced, we're gonna jump into the video. I just want to touch briefly on Beauty Fix. It is a subscription beauty box that is sold through Dermstore. It costs $24.95 a month, and you can sign up for a variety of links, like you can get 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, that type of thing. It comes in a box that looks kind of like this. Mine always comes via U.S. Postal Service. I live in Oregon. I don't know if it comes via U.S. Postal Service for everyone, but I just thought I would share that. The number of products that you receive in the Beauty Fix box kind of varies, but I would say more than likely you're going to get 5. And also, the size of the products is also going to vary. Sometimes you get those sad little foil packets, sometimes you get full-size products, sometimes you get deluxe samples. So there's no hard and fast rules about what size of the products you're going to get in the box. They do say every box is going to have a value of $100. So there's going to be more information about Beauty Fix in the description box if you're interested. But now we're going to talk about what was in the March box. So the first thing is this Holy Frog Water Lily Milky Wash. Now, this brand is really interesting because they're holistic but researched. I can't remember exactly what they said. They're, what was it? Holistic functional skincare. And they really specialize in face washes, even though they do have serums and moisturizers. Again, this is Water Lily Milky Wash. It is made in the USA. It's for dry to dry combination skin, and it has a pH of 5. I really like the package. It's really pretty. This has a retail value of $35, and it is 5 fluid ounces. That's really pretty. Let's see how it smells. It definitely smells like water lily. That is the consistency, definitely what you would think for a milky wash. Obviously, I just opened this, so I haven't used it. If I feel one way or another about it, I'll probably do an update about it in like my monthly product roundups, like my speed reviews. I just applied it on my hands. Definitely very lily scented, so if you don't like lily, you wouldn't like that. Next, we have this Dermstore night cream. It says vitamin K and almond oil. On the website, it says this retails for $65, but is currently on sale for $39. A lot of times they'll do that, like Dermstore will put something in the box, and then if you go to their website for the next couple months, it's cheaper. It is really hard to get out of there. I really like this sleek packaging. It's very, very nice. I like it. It's heavy weighted. Ooh, okay. I wasn't expecting that. It's got like one of those little spatulas, which I will probably lose. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is really crazy. I don't know if it's because it has vitamin K in it. Let's see. We have vitamin K, almond oil, sunflower seed oil, allantoin. This fades and clears bruising and improves the appearance of discolored skin caused by spider veins and broken capillaries. Helps reduce under-eye dark circles and puffiness. Soothes, hydrates, and retains skin's natural moisture. Alleviates the redness and irritation often associated with rosacea. Ideal for fragile post-procedure skin. This is the color. It is, I don't even think it's showing up quite as bright as it is in person. Like, this is really, really neon-y yellow. So I was really interested in this cream specifically because of the vitamin K. I was wanting to find like an eye cream with vitamin K to help with dark circles, because mine have just gotten really bad. I like that this is suitable to put under the eye, so I can test it there. It was talking about ideal therapy for post-procedure skin. So like if you went and got like Botox or filler or something like that, which often leads to bruising, this is something that they would suggest you use. Now, obviously, you would want to follow whatever directions your esthetician or clinician give you for your procedure. It doesn't smell like anything, and it's not too heavy. Calendula. Okay. It also has arnica and calendula in it, which explains why it is so yellow. And it also explains why it would be good for bruising and for redness. I am very interested in trying this. Hopefully my skin will handle it. I do have very sensitive skin, easily sensitized, but I am excited. I'm really excited to actually try this and report back. And you'll definitely hear me talk about this, like, for sure. Remember how I said that the samples in this box can be any size? This is an example of a smaller size sample. This is a vial of the SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. Now, to be fair, full size of this costs $98. So this little vial costs $13 approximately. I really enjoy getting vials of SkinCeuticals products because it's a way for me to try a product that I wouldn't normally be able to afford to purchase. Unfortunately, the sad part is most of the SkinCeutical products that I've tried I really like, so I have to tell myself not to spend that much money sometimes. Anyway, I'll be doing a video about SkinCeuticals and which products I think are worth the purchase, but that's going to come later. This product is a workhorse serum. It is obviously for discoloration, so we're talking about like red marks, melasma, dark spots, that kind of thing. Now, when I looked at the ingredients in this serum, it had a lot of the same ingredients that went into my VI peel. I will link the VI peel information in the cards so that you can check that out. But this has 3% tranexamic acid. It also has 1% kojic acid, 5% niacinamide, and it also has some like actives and enzymes that are proprietary to help with even exfoliation. So I'm excited to try and use this. I'm going to be getting microneedling done, so I'm not going to be able to test this for a little while. Now, the SkinCeuticals directions say that you can use this morning and night, and technically when you do a VI peel, you have those ingredients on your face during the daytime. It's very important that you wear a very high SPF, like a 50. I personally would choose to do this only at nighttime and not during the daytime because this is rather intense. That's just me. If you want to talk to your esthetician about what you should do, then go ahead and do that. But I wouldn't put this on my face during the daytime. Nighttime only. Again, I'm going to have to wait to try this because I'm getting microneedling done and I have to be careful about what I put on my face for the next 2 weeks. The next two products are hair products, and this one is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. This is the newer Living Proof shampoo. I know tons of people who like the original formula. A full size of this retails for $30, so this deluxe sample is worth about $9.75. I don't typically use dry shampoo because I have such an oily scalp. My hair just gets to the point where it's just really gross, and when I add dry shampoo to the mix, it just makes it look worse. It makes it look like, ew, that girl has not bathed, you know, because it just doesn't work. However, I've heard really great things about this, and I'm excited to try it and see if it'll work for my gross hair. The last product in this box is a hair care item, and it is from Orbe, which is like one of those luxury brands. Like, it's the brand that my hairstylist use at her salon. And if you're familiar with the brand, you know everything is super expensive. So it's nice to get a little sample of their products. They do tend to send the same samples over and over again, but this is one that I have not gotten, and it is the Feather Balm Weightless Styler. Now, I think a full size of this retails for like $40-something. Yeah, this full size of this retails for $42, and this particular sample is worth approximately $10. I don't usually put things like this in my hair. It says distribute through damp hair, blow dry, or air dry for feather light styles. Can also be used throughout the day on taming finisher. I don't know. It's really small. It's really small. This isn't the type of product that I use, to be honest, because anything that's creamy like this is going to make my hair greasier. It does have that beautiful Orbe smell. I will test it out, but honestly, I don't have the highest of hopes for this product. Now we're going to talk about the value of the box. Each box costs $24.95, and Beauty Fix has made kind of like a promise that every box that you receive is going to have $100 worth of product. This particular box totals value is $106 approximately. Now, that does look like a good deal. However, if the products in the box are like blah, then that's an inflated value. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the products that we got and if I think this particular box is worth it. So again, we have the Holly Frog, which is $35. I have been wanting to try this brand, not this particular product though. So this is just an okay item. I will use it. I don't find any face wash really to be worth $35. I am excited to try this. So I'm going to say a good product overall. I'm most excited to actually try this Dermstore product, which is really crazy because this is like not an expensive product. It's like the store brand and I'm never excited about a store brand, but I am excited about this. And this has a retail value of $39. And so I've definitely, just my extreme excitement over this and my half excitement over this already pays for the price of the box. I'm also very excited about this. And I'm excited about the SkinCeuticals. I would say the thing that I'm the least excited about is the Orbe Styler, which I had mentioned. So overall, for me, this box is very exciting. Like, this is the kind of box that would actually get me to sign up for the subscription because it has a variety of products in it and it has a variety of brands that are sought after. Not all boxes are created equal. I got a box last month that was absolutely awful. I wish I would have filmed it, but it was so disappointing. I was like, I don't want to share this. But I will continue to share the Beauty Fix as I get it. That way you can have a better idea of whether you think it is worth your investment or not. For me, because I'm a beauty creator and I have to try as many products as possible, it is really great. I would say out of the boxes that I've gotten, which is like 5 boxes, only one of them has been like super disappointing, which was the last month. If you have any questions about Beauty Fix, what I think about it, if you want to make sure that I actually follow up, leave a comment below. If you like this type of unboxing, please like this video so that I can know to make more of this type of content, and it also will help me in the algorithm as I try to grow my YouTube channel. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.